done dada. Fire can't cool me, I burn tire. But I can't
Original
kill me, I
Batman.
spit fire. Nobody test me, I run dire. Me, I run dire.
She give me pon me heart, say she give me pon me heart. Fine.
Hi beautiful people, I'm Kimmy Boutiki. Welcome to my channel, and today I have my July BoxyCharm. I'm so excited. 5 full-size products as per usual, sometimes 6 or 7. $21 a month for this box, and they work with amazing brands, so you get really amazing products. This box right here is retailed for $134, okay, $134, and the box only cost me $21. This is why every month I always get this box. So if you want to see the 5 products I got in this box, stay tuned. Your BoxyCharm comes with a paper that lets you know about all the products in here and what they actually retail for. First up, we have the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage Gel Eye Cream. It's going to depuff your eyes. You put it on after you apply your moisturizer, and you can go right ahead and apply your makeup, and that's how I did it. We have this eyeshadow palette. This is from Crown Brushes. It's called the Fuego Eyeshadow Collection. Do you see these colors? Look at these warm, beautiful colors. I will do swatches of the metallics, as you will see, and of course it's what I used in my eyes, so stay tuned for the demo on that. Next, we have the Wonder Beauty Unleashed Mascara. It is supposed to give you volume and curl, honey. Yes, I use this on my bottom lashes, and just a few swipes, my eyelash will were coated, so I actually really like this mascara. Next, we have this Note Cosmetics blush, and this is in the color Desert Rose. This color, oh, look at my face, look. I'm glowing. It's so beautiful. Look at it. So pretty. Oh my god. Oh, I love it. Oh my god. This box blew my mind. This is an eyebrow cream by Chella Beauty. How you use it is there's a brush on one end, so I don't even have to pack a brush. It has a brush. And then you twist this. The eyebrow cream is right in there. You just dig in here, boom, 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 and then put it on the brows. So easy, so simple. This is perfect. All-in-one brush and eyebrow cream. I actually really like this product. Those are the 5 products that I received, and now we're going to see them in action. So I'm going to go under my eyes with the Dr. Brandt No More Baggage. That's going to help depuff my eyes and give me that nice resting look. This Chella Beauty Eyebrow Cream.
And it me think so. I say she want it for me yard. Man, I give it to her one time. Say she want it one time. Want it for me yard. Man, I step in at the yard, made the girls them say I.
Now I'm going to go in with the Crown Brushes Fuego Eyeshadow Collection Palette. It's so beautiful. This is freaking gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to go in with this first color under my brow bone. I'm actually going to go in with this nice warm chocolate color here. Now I'm going to go in with this nice chocolate burgundy. It's like a burgundy chocolate. So I'm building up the outer corners first, and then I'm going to pull it all the way in. Now I'm going to go in with this, the darkest color in the palette.
Dance like Bob Marley, we start. You understand me, no made in Japan. You changing style with the girl, system warning. System warning. Me and I go waste time. Me a stand in the city, me a can't in a baseline, live line. Can't understand why I waste time. Your body nice, fuck up on me, I waste like I mean a bad man, they want to say. I mean a bad man, them want to feel. Say she give me for me heart, say she give me for me thing so. Whine it for me girl, say she whine it for me thing so. Move your body for me thing and whine it for me thing so.
Now I'm going to go in the Wonder Beauty Unleashed Mascara. It says it's going to give me volume and curl. This beautiful blush by Note Cosmetics. This is in the color 05 Desert Rose. Oh, it's pigmented. Okay guys, let me know what you think. This is the look with all the items from the BoxyCharm. As always, every month I recommend this box to you guys. I get all these amazing products, and they are full size, and they are from really awesome brands. So highly recommend. $21 a month, and if you buy like for the year straight, it's like $18 bucks, something like that. You get a discount if you purchase ahead. So if you want to pay for the year, it's going to be even cheaper than the $21. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a pleasure making it for you, and I love talking about my BoxyCharm box because I really recommend it. I've been receiving it for over a year now, and I have zero regrets. If you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would join the Kimmy Boutiki family. You're going to hit the red subscribe button and a little bell next to it so you are notified of every Kimmy Boutiki upload. Join the gang, honey. Yes! Next, we have this Crown Brush Fuego. Next, all right, it's called the Fuego Eyeshadow Collection. So next we have this Fuego. What? So my shirt was down and you wasn't even going to tell me though? Like, come on, you got me out here looking crazy. And of course, if you have a few more minutes, go ahead and watch a couple more videos. I hope you're feeling amazing wherever you are, aka Boutiki, and hopefully I'll see you in my next video.